Hi guys, it is holiday season and I'm doing another fun holiday set, so let's get right into it. So I actually wanted to practice this time me doing my nails with the tips already on. You guys, I have so many crooked nails. I had already taken off and reapplied two of these nails, but one of them I found is still crooked. I want to say it's my middle finger. You'll see like later in the video, and you can probably tell from the thumbnail that it was crooked, but even so, I wanted to try it out like this on my finger. I don't really know why, but I had so much fun doing it like this. I don't know how often I will do it like this because you guys know it is not the best for your skin to be putting it in under the UV light. So, you know, you could do your own research about that. You know, some people wear sunscreen, some people wear gloves, whatever it may be. I wear the press-ons and try and not stick my hand under that light as much as possible, but this was still a lot of fun trying it out. Anyway, I'm using two blue glitter gel polishes. So I'm doing one coat of kind of the lighter blue and the other one's kind of like a darker blue and teal. I thought it was so pretty, and honestly just for my normal everyday style I would have worn them just blue because I'm kind of plain, but I do this because I love the nail designs and trying new things. I'm going to show you kind of an inspiration picture here. This is like super viral. I've seen it on Facebook, Instagram, like everywhere, talking about holiday nails, and what I really loved was the Let It Snow. You guys, I record on my phone, so I can't look at my phone at the inspiration pics, and the Let It Snow nail I realized was more like a dusted snow than what I did, but even so it was really fun. Yeah, I'll let you guys watch and then I will get into a little bit more chit chat with you guys in just a bit. It might look a little funky how I'm putting this polish on, like I'm kind of chunking it on there, but I wanted it to be thick, and these are super little mini bottles, so I was trying to get as much out of it as possible. But yeah, that's why it kind of looks funny. I'm not just spreading it on the normal way, or painting it on, not spreading it. Yeah, I will let you guys watch. I don't really have too much to say. If you guys like more like fun or interesting content, check out my shorts because I do Am I the Asshole stories and story time. Some of them are my own, some of them I get from Reddit, so it's a lot of fun over there in the shorts. But yeah, we are doing the blue on blue, and again I didn't have my inspiration pick with me, so some of it is a little freestyled and some of it was going by that design, but you'll see. That was my son. He came in and he wanted to feel my nails. He's so silly. But yeah, so I'm kind of like freestyling. I knew I wanted rhinestones and I knew I wanted that kind of holographic little pieces of paper or glitter. I don't know what you'd call it, but here I'm just putting down some, oh, that's matte top coat. I'm putting down my matte top coat. So I put the top coat, and now I was trying to put this glitter on and it sticks to my fingers. I tried to use the brush. It wanted to stick to the brush. This was quite difficult. Let me know below like what type of contraptions, what type of tools do you guys use to do that. But here I already cured it, and so it's cured with that kind of holographic glitter paper, and now I'm just making a little bitty dots and I'm gonna put some rhinestones. If you guys have made it this far in the video, I want to say thank you. I absolutely love doing nail designs, and you know, I'm not a nail tech or anything like that. I just do this for fun for myself, so I always enjoy all your guys' feedback and comments. I've already learned so much and taken a lot of your guys' advice on here, so thank you, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Happy holidays. just using the itty bitty rhinestones here, and I'm just kind of putting them on the edge of the end of where the white dots end, if that makes sense. And that's all we're gonna do for this nail, and then we'll see what I move on to next. I always do the voiceovers because when I'm doing these nails, it's kind of hard for me to focus. I usually just put on like a podcast, or sometimes I'm even watching on my laptop like other nail videos. I love so many of the creators on here and love watching their content, so there's like noise in the background, so that's why I always do the voiceover, to be able to talk with you guys. But I don't know, maybe I'll try and do like a shorter video where I actually real-time talk to you guys. I think that would be fun. Let me know what you guys think about that. Okay, so here we go. I'm doing like a little striped look here, not necessarily a candy cane, and I didn't want to go all the way up on the nail, but I did a little bit of this with two different brushes, and I actually tried to cut my brushes to make them thinner. I heard a few other nail creators were saying that to get the perfect size they cut them. I don't know if it really worked that well for me. I actually have some new brushes coming in the mail on Monday, so hopefully those work out well, but didn't have them at this time, so I'm using the Beetles brushes, and I just cut some of the bristles off to make them thinner. This set I actually tried the some matte, some not matte nails. So this one is shiny, so that's regular top coat. And then what I wanted to do is put these little gold strings on there, but they wouldn't lay flat. Like I could not get them on there. I think maybe I should have used like a glue to do it, but I just tried a few times, but ended up just going with rhinestones because it was not laying flat. It was just like basically falling off, but I thought that gold would have been cute, so at least we tried it. But I just put down some of the rhinestone glue. This rhinestone glue does need to be cured, so I'm putting my rhinestones and I'm putting it right back under the lamp. Point I'm already feeling myself. I'm really liking how these look. I think it's the blue. I've never done like blue nails for myself, but I actually have a few blue looks coming up once I get those new brushes. I love Lilo and Stitch, so I want to do some Christmas Stitch nails, but I was really feeling this color and the teal and then the shiny and matte. Oh my gosh. I mean, other than the one crooked nail, this look was like really killing it. I had to pat myself on the back because if you guys saw, I did an acrylic nail video. Oh my god, I am not good at that. So this was just refreshing to be able to do something that, you know, I actually liked the results of it. But yeah, we are done with the pointer finger, and we are going to get started on the middle finger. The middle finger is going to be a sweater nail. I don't know if I posted a video on doing sweater nails before. I think I only did them and didn't put them on. Like maybe I just tried like 1 or 2 times, and I did it for like a shorts video that I talked over. I don't think I did a full video, but I have actually tried out this sweater nail trend before, and I think this time it went over a lot better than the other time. If you guys have done these sweater nails or have any advice, like do you cure it? Like what are the actual steps? Because you know, when people take these videos, they usually cut out like the curing process. I mean, I do it here, but as a watcher and a beginner, I'm like, wait, what are they doing? Like, when did they cure it? Or are they drying it? Or what's happening? So if you guys know, let me know. But even so, I think this turned out fine. What I did is I drew everything on, so that's gel polish, and then you're gonna see, I take out the acrylic, and for this one I use clear acrylic. I'm putting the paper towel down. Ooh, I'm not flicking y'all off. It just so happened this was my middle finger. Okay, so I'm putting the clear acrylic on top. I'm getting it all over. See, I don't know, because obviously, okay, so I did not cure the gel that you saw me just put on. So that's wet. I'm putting the acrylic on, scooping it on. I'm trying to get it on there like thick. Now I rub it off. I kind of blow on it here. This is what it looks like. But like, you guys, it might look nice, but it's super dusty. So here I cured it. This is what it's looking like. I'm trying to hold my pinky together because, like, I don't know, my fingers go everywhere because they're all crooked, but it was so dusty. So I cured it and like it still looked kind of dusty. I don't know, it was weird. But okay, this is a real experiment. This was the Let It Snow, and you guys, I know it doesn't look like the picture. I didn't have the picture anymore, so I couldn't remember. I thought I needed to do like a super thick layer of the acrylic snow. So mine is just different, okay? So I'm putting on, that was base coat. Yes, that was base coat, like the gel polish base coat. Model 1s, I'm cleaning it up a little bit. Otherwise the acrylic, you know, would have stuck everywhere, but you see it does get stuck everywhere. But yeah, okay, so I put the base coat and then I'm going to like drench it in white acrylic powder. And then I'm just using the back of one of my Beetles brushes to do the designs. I write way too big, so I just wrote snow. It was supposed to be Let It Snow, but you guys, it's just snow, okay? We'll have to try it again with some more words, but it wasn't happening this time. This was honestly so fun. So I'm drawing the little footprints or shoe prints, and I'm more of a colorer rather than a drawer. But again, I am working on my artistic skills. But yes, those are the little footprints. It looks so cute. And then I'm gonna write snow. I don't know what was used to like write all the little words, but it wasn't working for me. So that's why it's just one big word. So at this point, I'm asking myself, now what do I do? You know, I just had the base gel that wasn't cured, put all this acrylic on top, and now I'm like, okay, well, I guess I just put it under the machine. And you see here, like that part that's kind of like stuck to my cuticle. Oh, this is matte. Let me see. No, I think this is my other matte top coat. Yeah, that's matte top coat. And then I kind of like, you didn't see it in the video, but I ripped off those pieces that were stuck to my cuticle, and I didn't really care that there was that little part of blue underneath, because like snow, maybe it's like snow on top of water, you know, we gotta get creative even in our mistakes. And okay, you guys, it was the middle finger that was crooked. Now that I'm looking at it, it was the middle finger. Sorry I'm talking so much. I really like this set, and just watching it back is making me so excited. Can't wait to do the next one, you guys. I haven't done another set since doing this one. Oh, actually no, I did. I tried to do duck nails. It turned out awful, not uploading any of that, and I don't think I'm gonna try again. But yeah, this one is pretty much done. What I'm doing here is I took some clear top coat to put in between the letters so that part was shiny. I don't know how much you could see it from the pictures, but that part is shiny. And look, you guys, it's so cute. I've came a long way with my nail game. I'm so proud of myself. Okay, I'll let you guys watch. French tip. Just the thing about me, I love French tips. It's my favorite type of nail. So I really like to try and practice doing French tips on myself. I think this is called the Deep V. I just kept it pretty simple, and this one and the pointer finger and my pinky are both shiny. I did not matte my pinky, and I think it looks so pretty like that. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of bling with the rhinestones at the like cuticle line. I ended up doing a medium-sized one in the middle and then 2 of the little tiny ones on the sides. And these aren't like the white clear, they're like iridescent, I guess that would be the word. And I thought it went so well with the teal glitter. So here you guys go. This is the finished set. I absolutely love them and hope you guys have an amazing, oh wait, no, put cuticle oil first. But yes, hope you guys have an amazing holiday. I'm going to be putting more holiday and just fun designs up. So thank you guys again for watching. Happy holidays. Bye.